Can I install gutters myself? While the short answer is yes, you can install the gutters yourself. It should always be done by a professional. There's many different aspects to installing gutters correctly that will have a significant result and importance on the overall functioning of your home. If gutters are not installed correctly, water could collect, causing your gutters to sag and overflow. Water then collecting around the foundation of the home, which would lead to more costly repairs. Foundation walls that have failed, potentially basements that flood. So again, the short answer is yes, you absolutely can do it yourself. But at the end of the day, the gutters should be installed and looked at and inspected by a professional to ensure that no further damage could be done to your home.